Hello, I'm Jerry Lotz. Welcome to another episode where I'll share a little bit about myself and what I do. I invite you to do the same and hope that we might lessen the distance between us. During my last episode, I talked about two important calculations, namely a 45L, which is a calculation of a tax credit that could be applicable for residential rental and multifamily properties, and the other one is a 179D. It's a calculation for tax credit for commercial buildings undergoing energy efficiency projects. Today, I'll spend a little time talking about an amazing hidden benefit for building owners that came out of that CARES Act. So there are two provisions in the CARES Act that are pertinent for building owners. One is a clarification of something called QIP, or Quality Improvement Property, and the other is something called a NOL carryback, Net Operating Loss Carryback. For the purposes of this discussion, I'd like to focus on the Net Operating Loss Carryback. Basically, it allows somebody that creates a loss for themselves in, say, 2019 to take that additional loss and carry it back and recoup refunds when things may have been more profitable from 2014 up to 2018. For example purposes, if we did a cost segregation study now to apply to 2019 taxes, we found $500,000 worth of additional depreciation deductions for that client. The client had an income of $200,000 for 2019. We would have created an extra $300,000 worth of deductions that they would not be able to use in 2019. They could take that $300,000 of additional deductions, go back and apply it to 2014, 15, 16, 17, and 18's taxes to recoup refunds on those years when they may have paid taxes. I hope this series has been helpful. This seems like a good time to do a temporary transition into another segment of my business, still involving savings, but more so in the energy sector. Next episode, I'll recap a few things and plan for the transition. For now, please share some things about yourself. I'd love to learn how we might help each other. In closing, be safe, be well, and blessings till we meet again.